Here's a general tutorial on planting and growing homegrown fruits and vegetables. Keep in mind that specific instructions may vary depending on the type of fruit or vegetable you're growing, so it's always a good idea to check for specific guidelines for each plant. Let's focus on tomatoes as an example. Growing tomatoes at home, a step-by-step guide. 1. Choose the right tomato variety. 1. There are various types of tomatoes, including cherry, plum, and beefsteak. 1. Choose a variety that suits your taste and space. 2. Gather your supplies. 1. Seeds or seedlings. 2. Potting soil. 3. Pots or containers, if growing in limited space. 4. Stakes or cages for support. 5. Fertilizer. 6. Watering can or hose. 3. Planting. 1. If starting from seeds, plant them indoors a few weeks before the last frost date in your area. 1. Transplant seedlings outdoors when they are around 6 to 8 inches tall. 2. Choose a sunny location with well-draining soil. 4. Soil preparation. 1. Ensure the soil is rich in organic matter. 1. You can add compost to improve soil fertility. 5. Plant care. 1. Water consistently to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. 2. Mulch around the base of the plants to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. 3. Provide support for indeterminate varieties using stakes or cages. 6. Fertilizing. 1. Feed your tomato plants with a balanced fertilizer, following package instructions. 1. Avoid over-fertilizing. 7. Pruning. 1. Remove suckers, side shoots, to encourage better air circulation and fruit production. 8. Pests and diseases. 1. Keep an eye out for common tomato pests like aphids and hornworms. 1. Use organic or chemical controls as needed. 2. Rotate crops yearly to reduce the risk of soil-borne diseases. 9. Harvesting. 1. Harvest tomatoes when they reach their full color and are slightly soft to the touch. 2. Use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears to avoid damaging the plant. 10. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. 1. Use your homegrown tomatoes in salads, sauces, and various dishes. 1. There's nothing quite like the taste of freshly harvested produce. Tips. 1. Tomatoes thrive in warm temperatures, so be mindful of your local climate. 2. Consider companion planting with basil to enhance flavor and repel pests. Remember, this tutorial is specific to tomatoes, but similar principles can be applied to other fruits and vegetables. Always refer to specific guidelines for each plant type and adapt the instructions based on your local conditions. Happy gardening!